3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
In this video, I'll guide you through how to get admin commands in Dress to Impress on Roblox. If you've seen others using these commands and have been wondering how to get them yourself, I'll explain the steps to access them. Admin commands appear as a chat interface beside the 3 lines menu in the game, and they allow you to execute special actions. The simplest and most direct way to get admin commands is by being a YouTuber or owning a YouTube channel. If you already create Roblox content, particularly focusing on Dress to Impress, you can contact the game's developers. You can reach out via email or through Roblox messaging, letting them know about your channel and your intent to feature their game. Explain that you'd like to have admin commands for a video you're producing. Developers are often inclined to provide access as it boosts the game's visibility and popularity when showcased on platforms like YouTube. While the specific subscriber count required isn't clear, having a few thousand subscribers is likely sufficient to make your request credible. Another method is to collaborate with a friend who already has admin commands. If they are authorized to share admin privileges, they can grant you access. Once you have admin commands, you will also have the ability to extend those privileges to others as you see fit. These are the 2 primary ways to obtain admin commands in Dress to Impress. Becoming a YouTuber is often the more practical and reliable approach, particularly if you're already involved in Roblox content creation. I hope this information helps you achieve your goal. If it does, please consider subscribing to support my channel as well.